Tired of the endless back and forth of scheduling? Let's ditch the chaos and supercharge your productivity by connecting TidyCal with Zapier. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Zapier with TidyCal, unlocking a world of automation possibilities for your scheduling workflow. First, log into your Zapier account if you don't have one. Sign up, it's free to start. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic happens now. You'll choose your trigger app in the search bar, type TidyCal and select it. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event. A trigger is what kickstarts your automation. For example, let's choose new booking. This means every time someone books a meeting through your TidyCal link, it will trigger the rest of your Zap. Now, connect your TidyCal account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to log into your TidyCal account and authorize the connection. Make sure you're logged into the correct TidyCal account. Zapier will then ask you to test the trigger. This will pull in a recent booking from your TidyCal account so Zapier can understand the data. Click the Test Trigger button. Now that your trigger is set up, it's time to choose your action app. This is what will happen after someone books a meeting. For example, you could add the new booking information to a Google Sheet, send a Slack notification, or add the attendee to your CRM. Let's say you want to add them to Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose your action event, like Create Spreadsheet Row. Now connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet where you want the information to be added. Map the data from TidyCal to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. For example, map the booker's name, email, and meeting date. This tells Zapier where to put the information. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Then, turn your Zap on. And that's it. You've successfully integrated TidyCal with Zapier. Now you can automate your scheduling workflow and focus on what matters most. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.